everyone. I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Leah Boston. I'm an estate planning attorney here in the state of Maryland and owner of Law Office of Leah Boston LLC. I draft wills, trusts, and I talk about long-term life care planning with people like you. So this video is kind of like a get to know me. I've never really done one of these before, but I thought that it would be kind of cool and important to do it because my audience is watching me on various social media platforms. And who actually am I? What do I do? Why am I here? Well, for starters, I'm here for estate planning education, and I've always got death or mental incapacity or some sort of horror on the brain. But the good thing about having that horror on the brain is I kind of know how to counteract that horror with specific estate planning documents, whether that's above the ground documents, we call those financial powers of attorney, healthcare directives, living wills, etc. And then also your normal things that you think about, last will and testament, trust, all that information that's floating around the internet talking about trust right now, actually. So fun fact about me, I'm not an individual that kind of pushes trusts on everyone. I do believe that trusts are very important and kind of like a more complex / sophisticated mechanism to the estate planning process. However, not everyone is going to have access to being able to put together a trust, but not everyone is going to need a trust. So for that reason, having a will in place is better than not having anything in place. Some fun facts about me. I have 2 dogs. They're actually like really wonderful. I got my first dog after my childhood dog passed away. Her name was Brownie, and she lived to be like 14 years old, which is really a really long time. And then so my current dog that I have right now, Harley Quinn, she is I had to stop and pause before I said something. So Harley Quinn is actually a Chihuahua miniature pinscher, and I got her a year after my childhood dog passed, and she's currently staring at me right now. My other dog I actually got during law school because I attended law school in the pandemic and I didn't have my first dog, Harley Quinn, with me. So I foster failed a chocolate Labrador Retriever mixed dog. Another fun fact, I used to work at Disney World. So if you see me smiling, bubbly, etc., I don't want to say that Disney gave that to me. Yeah, no, Disney didn't give anything to me. If anything, it just kind of makes sense and is very on par with my personality, I guess. I love exercising. Food is great. I'm still trying to learn new recipes, and I really want to learn how to make focaccia bread. It looks really easy, but I don't know. When I try it, we'll see what happens. I hope this was interesting. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next legal education video. Bye.